Dongguan Feixiao Industry and Trade Company Limited is a trusted partner for cleanroom and hospital construction solutions. As an integrated enterprise integrating research and design production and sales, we've fully achieved automated production supported by intelligent production lines and advanced imported equipment to ensure high-precision, efficient, and stable mass production. We focus on providing integrated solutions for operating rooms and clean rooms. Our core products cover cleanroom doors, hospital doors, PVC rolling doors, air showers, and operating room wall panels, all designed to meet strict industry standards for durability, safety, and cleanliness, backed by seasoned technicians, strict full process production control, and ISO 9001 quality management system certification. We also have an office in Thailand with a professional team to serve Southeast Asia and global markets promptly. Backed by a professional team with over 10 years of industry experience, our factory integrates automated production with human expertise. We provide one-stop service from pre-sales, demand analysis, and customized solutions to strict full-process quality control, fully meeting your specific project needs. Our solutions are widely trusted by global clients in healthcare, pharmaceutical, and electronic industries, effectively boosting the cleanliness, safety, and operational efficiency of their facilities. Guided by the core principles of quality, reliability, and innovation, we sincerely look forward to cooperating with partners worldwide for mutual success.